Today we're going to look at the individual income tax formula for calculating your tax due or your refund from the federal government. This lays out the groundwork for all the other things that happen on your tax return, and it also provides a visual for what's going on within the Form 1040, which I think is really important because looking at the forms can get really daunting really quickly. So whether you're a business owner or an employee, this summary is going to come in handy for you because everything eventually flows onto the form that we're about to walk down. We will go into more detail as to what each piece means in later videos. First, we start off with gathering all the gross income numbers, such as wages, gross net profits, capital gains, and so on. Then we're going to subtract off what are called adjustments, also known as above the line deductions. And this is going to get us our adjusted gross income, also known as AGI. Common adjustments might be student loan interest, or you get to take a portion of your self-employment tax against your income as well. From there, you subtract off either the standard deduction or your itemized deductions, whichever is higher. Now, this is separate from your business deductions, and most people nowadays are taking the standard deduction unless they have a large mortgage on their home or they are large donors to charity. Once you subtract that off, you have your taxable income, which you can then use to calculate your federal income tax based off your filing status, whether you're single, married, or head of household. Then once you have the federal income tax calculated, you subtract off any non-refundable credits you may have, like the child tax credit or educational credits. Then you would add any additional taxes such as the self-employment taxes or the alternative minimum tax to get your total tax. From there, you're almost finished. You just would subtract off your withholdings, your estimated tax payments, and you'd also subtract off any refundable tax credits to see whether or not you have a net tax due or a net refund from the government. I hope that helps you understand your tax return better. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we will make sure to make a video answering all those very shortly.